Welcome to Bionics Scientific Technologies, a trusted unit of Cartel Projects Private Limited. Today we are introducing our general purpose laboratory refrigerator, engineered to meet the cooling needs of lab research, pharmaceutical facilities, hospitals, or testing laboratories. This model comes with a 500-liter capacity, providing ample space for medicines, reagents, samples, temperature-sensitive materials. The cooling range is 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius with an excellent temperature accuracy of plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent, stable and reliable storage conditions. At the heart of the refrigerator is our advanced HMI controller, offering precise temperature monitoring, easy adjustments and real-time system diagnostics. This interface ensures that your lab maintains strict compliance with quality, safety and regulatory standards with an inner dimensions of 27 into 24 into 48 inches and a sturdy outer size of 33 into 35 into 74 inches. The unit is designed to fit seamlessly into laboratories while offering maximum unstable storage. The refrigerator is built from the highest grade materials, powder-coated mild steel exterior for long-lasting durability, 304 stainless steel interior for hygiene, corrosion, resistance and easy cleaning, PUF insulation ensuring superior cooling, retention and energy efficiency. Our refrigerator uses a CFC pre-compressor and advanced forced air circulation, guaranteeing uniform temperature distribution, no hot spots, no fluctuating zones. Safety is one of the strongest features of our design. This refrigerator comes equipped with multiple layers of protection, alarms, audio and visual alarms for high or low temperature, door open alarm, condenser fault alert. Safety features: explosion-proof interior and electrical components, door lock system with key, audible and visual deviation alarms, flame retardant insulation. Refrigerator type R404A, stable, efficient and safe. It operates on a standard 220 watt 50 Hz power supply, making it compatible with laboratory environments across India and globally. This refrigerated system is perfect for research and R&D labs, pharmaceutical quality controls, hospitals and diagnostics, colleges and universities, testing and calibration laboratories. With our 25-year legacy of scientific excellence, Bionics Scientific continues to deliver world-class laboratory equipment. Our general-purpose laboratory refrigerator offers the accuracy, durability, and safety your lab deserves. If you are interested in getting one for your setup, feel free to reach out. Contact us on our email ID, that is info@cartelprojects.com. Also info@bionicscientific.com. You can also visit our website, that is www.bionicscientific.com. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.